I'm here at Blakeley State Park in Alabama, Baldwin County, Alabama, and this is a newly acquired section of land that was a part of the battlefield. As you can see here, this would have been the position that we're at, and occupied primarily by Hawkins division of U.S. CT. And this is really interesting. It's very well-defined zigzag approaches to the first parallel. The first Union parallel is down there. And if you come around here, you'll see the zigzag trench approaches right there. It's maybe hard to see with a phone, but it's very evident if you're on foot. And it goes like so. So we're going to kind of follow that and see. So this is how the U.S. colored troops would dig at night and advance towards the Confederate works as they're slowly advancing. And you can see the zigzag approaches, well defined even to this day, well over 160 years later. Little flags. This is all newly acquired property by Historic Blakeley Park that'll be open to the public very soon. They had the grand opening this weekend, and it's really exciting to see this. I've been walking Blakeley Park for years and didn't even know this existed, so it's really exciting. So this is the approach trend. It's very well marked. You can see there, obviously it's eroded quite a bit over the years, and that is the second parallel to the Union's position. But this is the second parallel, and off in the distance would have been the Confederate redoubts number 2. Into the a little bit further north would have been redoubt number 1, occupied by French's division. I believe it was Sears Brigade off the top of my head. But this is the parallel here, and great new addition and preservation of this historical battlefield that's been recently acquired. So this is really exciting. They got a great trail that you can walk on. So when you guys are in the Alabama, Baldwin County, Alabama, and you like the Civil War, this is absolutely the place to come to. This is a historic Blakeley Park. This is a part of the recently opened USCT Heritage Trail here at historic Blakeley Park. So when you get a chance, come and see. I'm still checking it out. This is my first time.